tractor, residential grade, just reached 500 hours. Now, for those of you who are thinking about getting a D105, some things to look forward to are every 200 hours you have to get the transmission worked on. The speed variator and the other part that actually makes the transmission go so that you can actually move oftentimes falls apart after about every 200 hours. And if you don't work on it yourself, if you take it into the shop and have someone else work on it for you, you're looking at about $300 each part. Unless they both go out at the same time, then you're looking at about $400, $450, somewhere around there. Another thing is, after about 400 hours, the factory steering plates and gear will be worn down enough to where you have to replace them both. However, you'll probably have to plan on going through multiple plates after that. The gear itself, not so much, but for some reason on the aftermarket steering plates, they don't last as long. I've managed to have them last about 3 weeks, and that's running it as a commercial mower, mowing about 20 yards a week. So, it may last you, if you're doing it as residential, it may last you the majority of the season, but I wouldn't count on it. So, other than that, as long as you keep everything greased, as long as you maintain it well, give it a tune-up and oil change every time the meter tells you to, you'll be in good shape. I think they would be good commercial mowers if John Deere swapped out the current GT plastic transmission for, say, a more commercial grade transmission. And then if they coated the steering plates with something, or made them a little bit thicker to be able to be used commercially, then yeah, I would guarantee that you'd be able to use the mower commercially. The engines, I've got 500 hours on my engine. It is a Briggs & Stratton engine made for John Deere. So I haven't had any work done to the engine itself. Still the original factory engine. I've maintained it well, changed the oil, give it tune-ups, all that stuff. My only complaints are, the transmission and the steering. Like I said, every 200 hours, you got to get the transmission worked on. After 400 hours, the factory steering plate needs to be replaced. And then after that, it's about every 20 hours. Or It's a little bit more than that. Every 40 to 60 mows, pretty much. Depending on how much you have to turn, how big the yards are, you know. The yards I mow it on are relatively small. I have maybe 2 or 3 big yards I use it on that take about an hour to mow. But other than that, you know, if John Deere got a hold of GT and swapped out the current plastic transmission for a stronger metal one and made the steering plates a little bit thicker and coated them with something to make them last longer, then the D105s could easily be commercial grade mowers. So, but I'm gonna get off here. Take it easy, guys. This is the end of the 2016 mowing season for me. I'll be mowing 2 yards tomorrow, and that's it. Then it's Thanksgiving. So have a good one, everyone. Take care.